Sandra, come. Sandra, come sit down, make I talk to you. Whether you sit down or you not sit down, you see what's in my mind, I go tell you. Sandra, this up and down when you dey do like this, so now because of wedding when you won't go, wedding when not be your own. You know they use ear say wedding day this time when you not go, Sandra. Sandra, you don't go borrow hair now. You go borrow shoe. You even go borrow bra, push up bra, make everybody take notice you. You won't do makeup. I don't hear you they call Michael. Make Michael come see you because of makeup when you won't do. This pressure when you put for yourself now. Where do when you want go, nobody go notice you, Sandra. And they talk to you. Now your face they like that.
Not be juju be that.
You never pass through that they floor go, Sandra.
Run no.
You they say waiting.
We must learn a lesson.